Export Connect NG, the fastest platform to connect with your foreign buyers. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Shipping and logistics problem in international trade. Welcome to our video on 5 ways of understanding customs requirements and regulations to overcome shipping and logistics problems in international trade. In today's global marketplace, understanding customs requirements and regulations is crucial for shippers looking to overcome shipping and logistics problems in international trade. In this video, we will discuss 5 ways shippers can improve their understanding of customs requirements and regulations to overcome shipping and logistics problems. 1. Research and planning. The first way of understanding customs requirements and regulations is through research and planning. Shippers should conduct extensive research on the customs requirements and regulations of the countries they are shipping to and from. This can include researching customs clearance procedures, tariffs and taxes, import and export restrictions, and documentation requirements. A. Customs clearance procedures. Shippers should understand the customs clearance procedures of the countries they are shipping to and from. This can include understanding the documentation requirements, such as commercial invoices, packing lists, and bills of lading, as well as understanding the process for clearing goods through customs. B. Tariffs and taxes. Shippers should also understand the tariffs and taxes associated with shipping to and from different countries. This can include understanding the different types of tariffs and taxes, such as customs duties, value-added taxes, VAT, and excise taxes, as well as understanding how these tariffs and taxes are calculated. C. Import and export restrictions. Another important aspect of customs requirements and regulations is import and export restrictions. Shippers should understand the restrictions on the import and export of goods to and from different countries, such as restrictions on certain products, materials, or technologies. 2. Compliance. The second way of understanding customs requirements and regulations is through compliance. Shippers should ensure that they are in compliance with all applicable customs requirements and regulations to avoid delays, fines, and other penalties. A. Classification. One key aspect of compliance is classification. Shippers should ensure that their goods are classified correctly according to the Harmonized System (HS) code, which is used to classify goods for customs purposes. Incorrect classification can result in delays, fines, and other penalties. B. Documentation. Another important aspect of compliance is documentation. Shippers should ensure that they have all the necessary documentation required for customs clearance, such as commercial invoices, packing lists, and bills of lading. C. Record keeping. Finally, shippers should maintain accurate records of all their shipments and customs clearance activities. This can help shippers demonstrate compliance and avoid fines and other penalties. 3. Communication. The third way of understanding customs requirements and regulations is through communication. Shippers should establish effective communication with their customs brokers, freight forwarders, and other partners to ensure that they are aware of all the customs requirements and regulations. A. Customs brokers. Shippers should work closely with their customs brokers to ensure that they are aware of all the customs requirements and regulations. Customs brokers can provide valuable insights into the customs clearance process and help shippers navigate complex customs requirements and regulations. B. Freight forwarders. Shippers should also work closely with their freight forwarders to ensure that they are aware of all the customs requirements and regulations. Freight forwarders can provide valuable insights into the logistics of international trade, such as shipping routes, transportation modes, and customs clearance procedures. C. Other partners. Finally, shippers should establish effective communication with other partners involved in the international trade process, such as suppliers, customers, and government agencies. Effective communication can help shippers avoid delays, fines, and other penalties. 4. Technology. The fourth way of understanding customs requirements and regulations is through the use of technology. Technology can help shippers automate customs clearance processes, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. A. Automated customs clearance processes. Automated processes can reduce the time and costs associated with manual customs clearance processes, as well as reduce the risk of errors. B. Electronic data interchange, EDI. EDI allows shippers to exchange customs clearance documents electronically, reducing the risk of errors and delays. C. Customs Management Systems, CMS. CMS can automate customs clearance processes, manage compliance, and provide real-time visibility into shipments. 5. Training and education. The final way of understanding customs requirements and regulations is through training and education. Shippers should ensure that their employees are trained on the customs requirements and regulations of the countries they are shipping to and from. A. Customs compliance training. Customs compliance training can help shippers ensure that their employees are aware of all the customs requirements and regulations, as well as how to comply with them. This can include training on classification, documentation, and record keeping. B. Cultural training. Cultural training can also be important for shippers operating in different countries. Understanding the cultural norms and practices of different countries can help shippers build better relationships with customs officials and other partners involved in the international trade process. In conclusion, understanding customs requirements and regulations is crucial for shippers looking to overcome shipping and logistics problems in international trade. Shippers can improve their understanding of customs requirements and regulations through research and planning, compliance, communication, technology, and training and education. By implementing these strategies, shippers can ensure that they comply with all applicable customs requirements and regulations, avoid delays, fines, and other penalties, and improve the efficiency of their international trade operations. Thank you for watching our video on 5 ways of understanding customs requirements and regulations to overcome shipping and logistics problems in international trade. Ensure to click and watch all the series in our playlist on most common international trade problems and quick solutions suggested, so you can trade safely. Stay tuned as we see you in our next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.